Hi guys, today we're going to American Village in Okinawa, Japan. This is Venice Vlogs #1. We are here at American Village. Look at this. Wait, look at this one. Oh, it's finally a good day. It's been raining for like 2 weeks. But we're here. First glance, this looks like that part in Disneyland. If you know, like all the colors in the buildings, it's so bright here. First stop, we are going to Blue Seal, which is an Okinawan ice cream shop, which is super popular here. There it is, Blue Seal. There are a lot of tourists here, including me. A lot of Americans here. Well, it is American Village. Bro, Huz just walked by, 4 of them, and they all looked at me. And then when I looked back, they looked back too. Wow. Maybe we'll see them later tonight. We're here at Blue Seal Ice Cream. I'll be trying this one today. I got my ice cream. I got the blue wave and the macadamia nut. Ooh, that's good. It's like bubble gum. Wow. Oh yeah. We just finished eating at Blue Seal. The flavors were like bubblegum, pineapple, coconut, and macadamia nut. It was so good. Now we're gonna explore the rest of American Village. There's a Blue Seal here and right there. Now we are going to Gigo, an arcade here that has Mofu Sand, allegedly. I hope I win. Bright in here. I am so ready to lose all my money just for this one plushie. I love claw machines, so we're gonna get it. We found it! We found it! This is the one I want. It's so cute! First try. Oh, that's perfect. We're gonna try again because we were super close. Right there. I don't think so. Both? That'd be crazy. Oh! Okay, I can't film every failure, so I'll check back in once I win it. And I will win it. No! We're gonna try another one.
I really wanted that one. Maybe I'll come back. We went to get the minis because we can't win the big ones. Oh! Oh shoot! Ah!
This is my last 100 yen that I'm willing to spend on this. I went back. Okay, let's go.
Okay. Gonna press it. Come on, let's go, let's go. Looks promising. Oh my god. Wait, I need to get more. If I could just tip it over.
Okay, I found one more coin. We're gonna go again. Because it's so close. If I just tip it over, it's mine. Okay, I have to say goodbye. I'm spending too much money on here. We're done at Yigo. We totally just lost like over 1,000 yen. And we didn't even win anything, but it's okay. On to the next adventure. Walking into Gigo, there was sun, but now that we're done, the sun's down and it's super pretty and lit up. Oh yeah, it's so pretty. These pictures gonna eat. This is like the spot to watch the sunset. It's so pretty. Wow. Christmas land, Christmas in July. This is up all year round. It is so bright. We are at Christmas land. Look at this. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Whoa, we are right by the ocean. Whoa. This is so pretty. Oh, people are looking up there. Blue seal. So pretty. Oh, there's rocks. There's weird shaped rocks down here. Whoa! So pretty. Big fish. It is currently 8 p.m. We are gonna take some photos in American Village.
When you film so close to your face.
So they don't see my glaze.
But imagine, like,
on the TV. Someone's watching me on the
TV.
big TV.
Yeah.
Guys, can you only watch this on your phone? Please do not count my pores.
Holy, there's fireworks! I did not expect that. Oh my. Wow, just like home. Oh! Whoa! That's why everyone's still here. Okay, apparently every day at 8 p.m. fireworks happen in American Village. I had no idea. That was kind of scary. Oh my. Oh, this is so cool. It's so pretty. Whoa!
be so pretty at night.
Lizard. I'll name you Genu. I can't name everything Genu.
We just finished taking photos on my Digi. Look at this huge crowd. I thought everyone was done after the fireworks, but everyone's here now. Look. Still in American Village. They still have corn beanies here. We are going to Lawson. It's 8:30 and it's 82 degrees. It's so hot. If you didn't know, konbinis here are super popular in Japan, and most of them are 24/7. I'm usually at one every day getting something new. This one. I wonder what flavor this is. Got my ice cream. I don't know what flavor it is. We'll find out. Milk flavor? Interesting. Super sweet. Pretty good. There's a weird texture though. That's it for today's vlog. Thank you for watching my first YouTube video. See you next time. No.